Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can pair your Sony WF-C500 earbuds with any Windows PC or laptop. First of all, before the pairing, input both earbuds inside and charge them for like 20 minutes by using this USB-C port on the case, and disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, just open the case, take them out of it. And right now you have to just click on the left and the right together until both indicators starts blinking quickly. There we go, just like that. So put them close to your laptop. Go to the settings. Go for the Bluetooth and devices. Click to add device, select Bluetooth, and right now from this list you have to just select your earbuds, so just be patient. As you can see, they appear so right here, so click on them once and we are connected. If you want to use the microphone of your earbuds, you have to manually switch into the sound settings from this microphone of the laptop to your earbuds. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.